working, if we're successful, is a much safer vessel for humans to be in than the aluminum cans are.
Our inflatable hull structure is adequate to protect against any type of thermal effects, micrometeorite protection, radiation effects.
Vivo Aerospace now has 2 private spacecraft, Genesis 1 and 2, orbiting 340 miles above Earth. The only privately owned spacecraft of their kind orbiting in the edge of space. Launching spacecraft into Earth orbit is only one challenge. Picking an appropriate inclination for its orbits is another.
Sorry, I
The orientation of an
No,
orbit
it's fine.
really is just a measure of the degree of tilt from the line running through the equator. You can have anything from 0-degree inclination to 90-degree inclination. The 0-degree inclination is absolutely no tilt whatsoever from the equator, and that is called an equatorial orbit. Whereas if you have a 90-degree tilt from the equator, that is the polar orbit.
Satellites and spacecraft are launched into different inclinations depending on their mission, because different inclinations pass over different parts of Earth.
If you're going around the Earth, around the equator, what do you get to see? It's just what's below you, which is going to be what? The equator. So an inclination of the orbit at, say, 56 degrees covers almost all of the population of the Earth.
A polar orbit